Welcome to the Sharp production facility. We are proud to open our doors and show you how our technology is brought to life with precision, care, and dedication. In this video, we guide you through each stage of our production process, from component preparation to quality testing. You will see exactly how we create our high-performance LED display solutions. At Sharp, quality is our foundation. We only work with trusted suppliers and select each component for its durability and performance. Every production step is monitored, tested, and recorded to ensure consistency and reliability. Each product we deliver is the result of advanced engineering, professional craftsmanship, and a commitment to excellence. We take pride in doing more in-house. Unlike many manufacturers, we perform key production steps ourselves to ensure maximum control over quality and precision. Our PCB cutting achieves industry-leading tolerances of ±0.5 millimeters. This is significantly more precise than the standard tolerance, ±0.15 millimeters. We use only die-cast aluminum cabinets, which provide better structure, fire resistance, and long-term reliability. Our laser measurement systems ensure that every cabinet is geometrically perfect before assembly begins. Multiple inspection points across the production line guarantee that each product performs to the highest standard. Step 1. Beginning of SMT line. Each printed circuit board, PCB, is assigned a unique ID, enabling full traceability throughout the production process. The PCB is fitted into a custom fixture and enters the SMT line. Step 2. Solder paste application. The PCB moves to a solder paste printer, where thermal paste is automatically applied in preparation for chip placement. Operators monitor this process via an intuitive interface to ensure optimal settings. Step 3. SPI inspection. Next, a 3D solder paste inspection. SPI system scans the application of the solder paste. This step verifies the correct volume and position of the paste to ensure smooth chip soldering. Step 4. Chip mounting. Once approved, the PCB proceeds to the chip mounting stage. Here, driver ICs are precisely positioned on the board. Step 5. Reflow soldering. The board enters a reflow oven. Solder joints are formed as the paste melts and cools under carefully controlled temperature profiles, securing the chips in place. Step 6. AOI inspection. An automatic optical inspection (AOI) system then scans the board for any defects or misaligned components. Step 7. Cooling and manual check. After soldering, the PCBs cool under a fan system. Each board is manually reviewed, its ID is scanned, and it is cleared to move forward. Step 8. Second SMT line for LED chips. The boards now enter the second SMT process for micro LED chip placement. Solder paste is again applied with precision, and the process is closely monitored. Step 9. 3D SPI recheck. A 3D SPI system checks the second solder paste layer to maintain our high standards prior to LED installation. Step 10. LED chip placement. LED chips are installed automatically with high-speed precision. This step is crucial for visual performance. We ensure that every chip is accurately positioned. Step 11. Second reflow soldering. The boards undergo another reflow oven cycle to finalize the LED soldering process. The temperature settings are optimized to protect the components and ensure long-lasting bonds. Step 12. Final SMT quality check. After cooling, each PCB undergoes a comprehensive test. The ID is scanned and a visual inspection is carried out. A color display test is performed for red, green, blue, and white to verify perfect functionality. Only fully approved boards leave the SMT hall. While the PCBs are being processed, the cabinets are assembled in parallel. Each cabinet is tested at room temperature and inspected with a laser measuring system to ensure dimensional precision, both inside and outside. Even details like screws undergo salt testing to ensure long-term resistance. Wiring, power supplies, receiving cards, and hub boards are installed with attention to cleanliness and maintainability. Each unit is labeled and tested under high voltage conditions to confirm electrical safety. FAT testing, factory acceptance test. Once the PCBs and cabinets are ready, the complete screens are assembled to full size for factory acceptance testing. Each screen undergoes a 72-hour burn-in test to detect and eliminate any unstable LEDs. Brightness and color calibration are performed to guarantee uniform visual output. This stage ensures that only fully stable, high-quality screens are prepared for shipment. Our philosophy at Sharp: we believe that paying attention to every detail leads to long-term reliability and exceptional performance. From the PCB to the final screen, every step is guided by experience, tested with precision, and improved continuously. We don't just build LED displays, we build trust in every pixel. Thank you for joining us behind the scenes. We hope this insight into our process demonstrates the dedication and expertise behind every Sharp display. You can expect precision, performance, and peace of mind.